Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Monday the 11th of April 2022. Another leg down, looking at more likely then on these crypto markets as Bitcoin just pierces its 50-day moving average. One of the traders on the desk, Charles, posted some great information inside the crypto chat room over the past few hours. Again, just highlighting the amount of leveraged longs versus leveraged shorts, and through his analysis suggests that there's 2.65 times more longs, and longs keep on increasing. So this is leveraged longs, don't forget. So a lot of stops being taken out probably along the way, or a lot of accounts being wiped out completely, depending on the size that some might be trading in. But basically that 44k handle is where he's suggesting on Bitcoin in particular. If I just bring up the 44k on BTC, so it's basically where we've seen the rejection over the weekend, but also over late last week. So that 44k level is an area which Charles is watching closely. I've been talking about some profit taking potentially at the 50-day moving average, but that's been pierced completely. I'm probably going to find some new sellers below here as well. A move down into 40k then is looking the more likely at the moment than a move back into the 465. Ethereum, likewise, we have been talking about that divergence in recent briefs between Bitcoin and Ethereum, with Ethereum looking to hold up a tad better, but you can see sellers stepping back in on Ethereum here as well and moving this market lower. This is on a global risk off trade that we're seeing, don't forget as well, just emphasizing the move to the downside. And it wouldn't be surprising here on Ethereum if we do break that 3k handle. Big area there, psychological but also technical. We've seen support and resistance come through at 3k quite frequently in the past. Ripple at 0.7095, again suffering today, as you can see, completely wiping out that support level at 0.75 and moving down into the 0.71 area right now. My next main level is 0.6845. But that's only if we break below the 0.71 area where we're at right now. If we get below there, well, we've already broken out of the downtrend line now, but if we do the daily close around that 0.68 or 45, we could be in for some more trouble on Ripple, and it could be a case of moving down back into the sub 60s once again pretty soon. Wrapping up the markets for today is Litecoin, which is currently holding at 105.27. After that sea of green in recent trading, we're starting to see the sellers take back control, moving the market back below that descending trend line. And it looks like if 105 can't hold, we could be on for a move back down into the 93 area. We've now completely, well, I say completely, we've almost completely erased that entire few weeks of gains that we saw on that steady rise. And that's just all been erased in the past few days of trading. So again, key levels to watch: 105. If that doesn't hold, 93 coming into play. If this does hold and we find a bounce, we can move temporarily back into that recent high of 115 before looking at the 120 area overhead. There's no major Bitcoin or any major crypto news to bring your way apart from the whole broader based market picture, which is hawkish Fed. We've got US CPI print tomorrow to be watched. Again, if you're seeing a big number on the CPI print, expected to be 8% plus for the US. Does it just re-emphasize the need for the Fed to hike by 50 basis points in May? You could probably argue so. And again, is that a suitable environment for high risk speculative assets, which cryptos fall under? And again, with the leverage longs, something to be aware of. If you aren't fully aware of exactly how that works, feel free to join our chat room and get involved in the conversation. I'll leave it there for today. Until next time, I wish you all the best for your trading. Take care and bye for now.